Hey friends, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I'm Dan from Dan Website Design, and I'm here to help you improve your business. So today what I would like to go over is the page builder called Elementor. I'm sure most of you have heard of Elementor page builder, so I want to show you how to create a brand new website or a brand new page simply using Elementor, okay? So there are several ways we could do this. You can go up here to new, click a new page. We're going to start this from scratch, and I'm going to briefly explain. Okay, so your title, that means what page is it? So let's just choose home. Okay, and now what we do is go to edit with Elementor, and it may take a second to load, and here we have nothing except what our menu is, which we had already on customized. So what we would want first, because search engines, as I've told you, need to know immediately what your page is. So text, a heading text right here. Just let's use, this is the H1 tag, which is always the first one, which Google sees. Now you want this as an H1 tag. Now, say you want it aligned, you can do that right there. If you want to style it, here are several options that you can choose. And like I said, this will be a pretty basic. So we can get more into this on another subject. So now let's just say you have your H1 tag, okay? Now you need something else. So you click plus. Well, what do you want? So let's just choose that we want a double split screen, okay? Stretch section means stretching everything to be full width. Now that's a personal choice on you and what your website may be about. For this, what we're just going to do is click plus. It's going to take us back here. These are all, of course, if you purchase Pro, you get more, but we'll just close that. This, everybody gets for free, and these are depending on what you have purchased. But I'm going to keep it all under basic, and let's put, let's just put an image in. You drag it, you see the blue, and you put it right there. Okay, well, this is the default image that they put up. You now can choose whatever image you want. You download whatever you'd like. For right now, let's just use this. And this is where alt text is so important. This, like I have said in all of my videos, the alt text is what the computer sees the picture as. And if the picture does not show to the viewer, then it will explain what the picture is. All right, cool. Well, we got the image. And again, let's just align it in the center. It doesn't look like you did anything, but it will. And we go back, click up here. And how about we want to write a little text, okay? So we'll take our text editor. It'll have this. You can just type whatever, and then blah, 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 blah. And a drop cap means right here for the very beginning of the sentence, that letter is bigger. So this right here, again, let's now put a button. But the thing is, we want it in the middle, right? But we can't because we set it to have two different sections. So what do? You come down, you click plus, and once again, you choose what structure you want this as. Let's choose the full page. What we're going to do, let's just use a button now, okay? We'll put the button in. We want this centered. What do you want this button to say? It now says click here. How about let's say, let's chat. All right. Now the link, you want to know, where is this button going to go? When someone clicks it, this is what you choose of where you want it to go. So you could just say the home page, just type in the home page and it'll work. If you have dynamic content or the link options, and no follow, open in a new window. That is all up to you. And what we're going to do is lastly just show whatever link you want it to. Let's see. We have the contact page. So it's simple as open that in a new tab. You're going to click up here, click copy, Control C, and then you're going to go back down, click let's chat. Here's the link. Put that link in, and you can either choose to save it as a draft or publish it. And that is the basics, very basics of what Elementor will help you and teach you how to do. If you like this video, if you found this helpful and you want more, smash like and subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials. Any questions, just leave a comment below, and I will see you all soon.